What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy guys. As you guys can see, over the last approximately 2 weeks it has been consistently hitting green candles. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or on the other hand, if you already own this crypto and looking to sell it, is now the right time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to just hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, as well as looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high or how low can this crypto go? And essentially, going into 2024, is Jasmy a must-have in your cryptocurrency portfolio, or should you avoid it? So before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.0033 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.003787 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. They're not looking too steep, so guys, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, essentially Jasmy should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. But again, it's not going to be a major crash or a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, potentially dropping down to just over 0.0036 cents is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. But again, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially heading to about 0.0039 cents in the next couple of hours, before it slowly drops back down to just below 0.0037 cents and over 0.0036 cents. So essentially trading in between this target here is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more bullish. However, the blue line is still looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially towards the end of next week, we should see Jasmy more or less trading around its current price range, or around 0.004 cents is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at towards the end of next week. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile, up and down. It is likely for it to peak up above 0.004 cents over the next couple of days before it starts to drop back down around this area here, which is between 0.0038 cents and 0.004 cents towards the end of next week. So yes, do expect both green and red days, up and down, but as mentioned, the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking very bullish, going in a positive direction, and again it's not looking too steep, meaning yes, it is realistic, and I am also expecting an overall increase in value from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys. So mid to late December 2023 we should be heading upwards to around 0.006 to 0.007 cents. In between this target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at, and that is only if Bitcoin manages to pump near about the $40,000 mark, which I'm expecting as well. Earlier this year, I did let you guys know, do expect Bitcoin to hit about $35,000 by mid-October, and that's pretty much what's happened. And I'm also expecting it to head up near about $40,000 towards the end of the year. So hopefully the rest of the year we should be able to hit green candles, meaning positive outcomes, not just for Bitcoin but the crypto market in general, which also involves Jasmy pumping up to around over 0.007 cents is what my predictions are at the moment towards the end of the year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and there's not much analysis I can do when it comes to Jasmy because we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone we're going to have to hit at least about 8 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon, at least for the next 2 to 3 years, guys. I'm not expecting it to head up to the resistance target here, so we are going to be stuck in the red zone, because even Jasmy hitting about 1 or 2 cents is going to take at least about a good 6 to 8 months, let alone hitting 8 cents is going to take you a huge amount of time, and it's going to require a huge amount of increase as well, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy at the moment. But yeah, as long as we can hit green candles and slowly head upwards, we should be good to go. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 61% in the last 24 hours, making it $15 million. Again, only reason why it hasn't pumped up so much is there hasn't been much movement in Jasmy over the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, it has only gone up 1.5%. However, over the last 7 days, we can see a 21% increase, consistently heading upwards, hitting green candles, which is a good news, and hopefully we should be able to keep that going over the next couple of weeks and potentially heading up to near about the 1 cent target by early next year is what my predictions are on Jasmy at the moment. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting Jasmy to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I have been making Jasmy updates quite regularly for a long time, and I will be making it as well. So guys, if you are interested in Jasmy, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for too long. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.